Hello guys, so again I am making a tutorial video on heparin drip calculation. Thank you for watching my previous videos. So let's go ahead and solve a problem. So right here on the screen you can see a question. The question says the nurse is to begin infusing heparin at a prescribed rate of 600 units per hour from a solution of 25,000 units of heparin in 250 milliliter of D5W. What rate in milliliter per hour would you set the pump at? Okay, as you read the question, you should underline the important information. Everything, the language, these things do not really matter much. What you should pay attention to is those important piece of information. So it says the prescribed rate is 600 units per hour, and the medication comes in a package of 200 milliliter that contains 25,000 units of heparin right here, right there. And we have to find the rate in milliliter per hour. It's quite easy. So try to understand. If you don't understand my explanation or my accent or whatever, you can put that into the comment below. I will try to explain it maybe by making another video, or if possible I will try to explain it under your comment. So let's go ahead and try to solve it. So the prescribed rate is 600 units per hour. Okay, now we have to convert that rate into milliliter per hour. Milliliter per hour, so we have to convert that into milliliter per hour. This time is matching hour, so we don't have to worry about the time. We just have to convert. Now from here it is clear that you have to convert units into milliliter. How do we do that? Now we use another piece of information there. There is the relation between units and the milliliter. What does it say? Let me write that down here. So it says 25,000 units comes in a package of 250 milliliter, right? In every 250 milliliter solution there is 25,000 units of heparin. Now remember, we want to convert units into milliliter. That's clear from the question. So what do we do? If 25,000 units comes in 250 milliliter, 1 unit of heparin would come in how many milliliter? 250 over 25,000 milliliter. If you are familiar with simple algebra, then you should definitely understand what I did here. So 25,000 units, let's say, kind of equal to 250 ml. It's not exactly equal to, it's 250 ml of solution contains 25,000 units of heparin. But here you can use this, consider this as an equation, and then 1 unit of heparin comes in 250 over 25,000 ml. Once you understand this, this is the key part here. This is the conversion from unit into milliliter. Now come back here. We have 600. The nurse is supposed to infuse 600 units every hour, but we have to convert that into milliliter. So if 1 unit is 250 over 25,000 milliliter, then 600 units is 600 times 250 over 25,000. Now this is milliliter. We converted units into milliliter by multiplying by this, and per hour. That's per hour is per hour. We don't have to change the time. It's math. Now you use the calculator, or this is not that difficult if you want to do it in on top of your head. So, but use the calculator anyway. You will get 6 milliliter per hour. So that is our answer. Right there. So it's pretty easy. You pick up that information, you multiply, and you realize that we just have to convert units into milliliter. How to do that? There is another piece of information. From there, we know how to convert units into milliliter, and then you have to simply multiply the units by that number, by that fraction, or whatever. Here, this way, you can do it easily. All right, so that's it. I will make other videos and some useful stuff for nursing students. So you might want to follow me. For now, that's it. Thanks for watching.